Okay, just going to do a quick on how to customize your forming tool, and I'll do this on the louver, and it is quite straightforward. As I said, these ones came in bog standard, so they've been set up prior. If you go onto the louver, just right hand click and go to open, and it's going to open read only, which is fine. And then so that's the tool form that helps to create that louver. If I just quickly go to File, Save As, and I'll just change that to a long louver. And because it's already in that file, it will save to that file. And it is a SolidWorks part. Now you'll notice nothing's happened. It's just been saved. It's still in louver that way. So I'm just going to close that down on that one, and I'm just going to rejig this. That's rebuild. Just go into one of the clicking other boxes to come back to louvers. You'll see it now appears in there. So if I just there and open that up again, and what I want to do is to edit this, and it comes in with the full history. So before I do anything, let's just go in and change this base. At the moment it's at 50. I'm going to put that up to 125. Okay, and come out of that. And you'll notice that sketch was actually undefined. And then I've got layout sketch here. I'm going to go in and edit this here. And just double click on the 32 and change that to 100. And you'll see it change in a second. Okay, and you can see that 6 remains. I'll give that a green tick. And you can see now that that has changed. Fine, so just changing 2 places. Let's just go to File, Save. That one there. Okay, and let's just close this one down. Just save all. Okay, and then if I pick up that long louver, and you can see it does exactly the same thing. So I'm just going to flip it by 90, well, turn it around by 90 degrees. Actually, that should be 180, and it's coming underneath, so I need to flip it up. Okay, let's just rotate that round again. That should be 180. Round. Haha. No, that takes it from your previous one. So just go another 90. And it should do it. Yeah, there we go, opposite way. So that's back to, that's what the 0 is. So I want to go 180 from there. No, maybe not. Let's go 270 then. Has that done it? Yes, fine. So that's there. I can put measurements in. So go to position. So position, go to dimensions. From there to that center part, and let's do that at 145. Okay, and let's just do that from there to that line there, and let's make that 68. Perfect. So you can make any sort of custom punch up or tool to actually create ones you want. So just give that green tick, tick again, and there we go. I've got a louver in there already for it. So have a go at changing tools. You can probably do that as well in here. So if you just open the countersink, okay, it goes at read only, which is fine because you're going to save it out as another one. Let's just see. So that's that sketch. So there's the base diameter for it. Let's just go edit feature, and you can see that's 12. So if you wanted to change that diameter out, you can, and the angles, or create your own custom tools to go in depending on what's got to go in there. So it is very, very much edit that and then save that as a different part. So you know what you're up to. Let's just have a quick look at that dimple. Let's just open that dimple. It's a very useful tool actually. So there's a dimple there. Let's just have a look. See, sketch that one there. Edit feature, and again you've got basic diameters of dimples there, so that can all be changed. Not in this sketch, you need to save it out as another one depending on what you actually want to do. So that is how you change your forming tool and save them as separate ones, or any other unique features that you wish to do, like keyways and bits and pieces for that. So good stuff.